Oatmeal?
Okay, today is August 1st, and Skylar's gonna get some real food.
Skylar is 4.5 months, right, Skylar? Ooh, good girl. You gotta eat it. Look at your drool. Eat it. Like, that's funny, Dad. You can do it, sunshine. Ooh, she's opening her mouth. Good job. You just don't know how to swallow. That's okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mama got your nose. Mama got your nose. Come on. You gotta eat it, Skylar. No, no. Don't put your finger. Silly girl. Very good. Very good.
So proud of you.
Oh. No fingers, honey. No fingers.
Does that taste, huh?
See, it's delicious. That's delicious, honey.
You like it?
No putting your fingers in it, honey. No, sunshine. No. Ah, good job. More? Gotta eat it. Gotta swallow, honey. Very good. You got it. You got it. You got it. Huh? He's trying. Just like that. You ready? Whatever is in, everything is out.
What did you do?
No, nothing. Eat, sunshine.
It's a lot of food in her mouth.
She doesn't swallow anything. Looks like she wants it. Looks like she really wants it. Very good, very good. I'm gonna give you a little thicker ones. Very good. Just like that. Ready?
Good job. Good job, sweetheart. Ooh. Good job. Good job.
Mama got your nose.
Mama got your nose.
Honey. Went everywhere.
That's what happens. You got a moving target.
Come here, honey.
Wow, that's a big bite.
I know. That's okay. At least you're gonna get some. See? Good job.
You just crush up some Doritos and then she'll eat them.
Yeah.
Yep. Crushed Doritos.
You want a spoon instead of food?
You take the whole thing?
You cutie. You are such a cutie. Look what we did. Oh, Skylar. Honey.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Ready? Very good, Skylar. Ready? Skylar. Very good. Sometimes she gets it very well. Look, look. Looks like she wants it. Oh, yes. Mama got you. Mama got you. Very good. Oh. What does that mean? You don't want anymore? More? Are you gonna want to drink some milk? Okay. 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 It's better now. You want a little more? Okay. 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 Don't get all dirty, honey. Okay, Daddy.
Alright, so this is it. She did a good job.
Good job, Skylar.
Say bye-bye, Skylar. Say we love you. Bye-bye, everybody.